In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a pre-recorded live stream using Restream. This process is perfect for when you've prepared your content ahead of time and want to broadcast it just like a live event. It's a fantastic way to maintain engagement with your audience without having to be present in real time. To get started, head over to your Restream dashboard. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is locate and click on the New Stream button. It's usually prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. This feature is your gateway to creating a variety of streaming content, but for our purposes, we'll focus on the pre-recorded option. Next, you'll need to choose Video Playlist, or whatever the equivalent might be for setting up a pre-recorded event in your version of Restream. This option allows you to simulate a live experience using video content that you've already prepared and polished to perfection. Now it's time to select the video you want to stream. You have two options. Either pick a video you've already uploaded to Restream, whether in the Uploads or Recording section, or if you haven't uploaded it yet, you can simply add a new file from your computer. Just ensure that the video is in a compatible format and meets any size restrictions Restream might have. Once your video is ready, you'll need to fill in the event details. This includes adding a catchy title and a compelling description to entice your audience. Don't forget to specify the date and time you want your stream to go live. This detail is crucial, as it determines when your audience can tune in to watch your pre-recorded creation unfold like a live event. After setting up the basic details, you can then choose where you want your stream to be broadcast. Restream provides a fantastic feature that allows you to toggle the channels and destinations for your stream. Whether it's YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, or any other platform, you can customize exactly where your audience will be watching from. Consider your audience demographics and choose the channels where you're most active or where the most engagement happens. Finally, to set everything in motion, click on the Create Event button, or whatever the equivalent is in your dashboard. Once you do this, your event is all set, and you can rest easy knowing that your stream will go live automatically at your specified time without needing your direct involvement at that moment. And there you have it, a fully scheduled pre-recorded live stream using Restream to keep your audience engaged with high-quality content. This method not only helps you manage your time more efficiently, but also ensures that you can maintain consistent interaction with your followers. Now try it out and watch how it transforms your streaming experience. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your future content delivery.